Ever found yourself overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks, projects, and deadlines? Ever wished there was a magical tool to help you organize, prioritize, and manage it all? Well, today we're diving deep into that very question. Is there a Google equivalent to Asana? Understanding Asana. What is Asana? Asana is a popular project management tool that helps teams collaborate, organize tasks, and track progress. It's like a digital whiteboard where you can visualize your workflow, assign tasks, and set deadlines. Key features. Let's break down some of Asana's core features. Task management. Create, assign, and prioritize tasks within projects. Project management. Organize tasks into projects, set deadlines, and track progress. Collaboration. Work with team members, share files, and communicate effectively. Automation. Use rules and automations to streamline your workflow. Google's project management tools. Google Workspace. Google offers a suite of productivity tools known as Google Workspace, which includes several options for project management. Google Tasks. A simple task management app integrated into Gmail and Google Calendar. While it's basic, it can be useful for individual tasks. Google Keep. A note-taking app that can also be used for quick task lists. Google Calendar. A calendar app that can be used to schedule tasks and events. Google Sheets. A spreadsheet app that can be used to create project timelines and track progress. Comparing Asana to Google's tools. Feature comparison. Let's compare the features of Asana to Google's project management tools. Task management. Asana offers more robust task management features, including subtasks, dependencies, and custom fields. Project management. Asana provides a more comprehensive project management experience with features like timelines, custom workflows, and reporting. Collaboration. Both Asana and Google Workspace offer strong collaboration features, but Asana may have a slight edge in terms of dedicated project management tools. Integration with Google Workspace. While Google's tools are inherently integrated with each other, Asana also offers integrations with Google Workspace apps, making it easier to switch between tools. Is there a clear winner? The best tool for you. The best tool for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a dedicated project management tool with advanced features, Asana might be the better choice. However, if you're already heavily invested in Google Workspace and prefer a more integrated solution, Google's tools could be a good fit. Consider your team's needs. Think about your team's size, workflow, and technical skills. If your team is small and doesn't require complex project management features, Google's tools might be sufficient. However, for larger teams with more complex projects, Asana could offer a more comprehensive solution. Final thoughts. While there isn't a direct Google equivalent to Asana, Google's suite of productivity tools offers viable options for project management. The best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Call to action. Have you tried any of these tools? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're still unsure which tool is right for you, consider trying both Asana and Google's tools to see which one best suits your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.